Alright guys, so the caravan is packed and we're gonna hook and go to Parys. So we've been standing at the gate here. We've pressed the buttons, nothing goes. We'll have to try and phone them and see if they're on. Alright, apparently there was lightning here, and this is a help yourself gate. So let's see if this works. It works. I must honestly say, this place is not the nicest place I've seen before. It's very neglected, but we are here and we are going to enjoy it as much as we can, and I'll show you a little bit around. Firstly we have to find a camp spot now. So this is not a thing I like to do often, well, not at all actually, and then that's we already set up camp, all of those things, and we need to get to town. We need some breakfast stuff, we need some food, we need some butter, we need some groceries, so let's quickly go to town and get some thing to eat. Fine. Yes, what's good?
I think 6 would be.
Yeah, 6 would be fun, eh? Okay. So we just arrived back at camp and we have some visitors. We've got cows behind us. It really is calm here. If I have to give this place a star rating, I'd most definitely give it a 1 star. The bathrooms is really not, what do you see? The bathrooms is really not the cleanest. The resort is not the cleanest. However, the upper trends, if you want more relaxing, I would not go for the upper trends. As I see people, obviously it costs less money, so people flock more that way. And it's more noisy there. Here I've got the lookout on the river. I'm not at the river itself, I'm close to the river. So it's a little bit more calmer. Here comes the cows again. It's a little bit more calmer down here. So we just tried to rescue a dove, and we saw that the dove is just like sitting on a guy's head here. So just your name weer?
Johan.
Johan. Look at this dove. He's just like chilling. It's a wild dove actually, but I don't know. Johan, it's just liked you.
It's the cutest thing. Her name is Sky.
Hello, Sky. Anyway. A bit of Worcester spice we got from a place called Gooi Kolle. Okay, we got meat in the riser. Oh.